Hi guys, welcome on Crypto Mercy. Today let's dive on the ELROND chart. I want to explain you why I think it's not a cup and handle at all. Also, I see a bullish scenario possible for ELROND that I want to show you, and let's clarify our entries. Also, risk management is very important if you want to succeed and make money, and you are at the right place to protect your liquidity when you have to. But first, the intro. Hey, don't tell me this is not a rising wedge. It is. But this doesn't mean it cannot turn in a rising channel. Also, let's analyze this cup and handle more deeply. Just want to show you right here. That was a possible scenario for me, but since we had those drop, I don't believe in that cup and handle too much. And if we go over general rules of the cup and handle, generally cups with a longer and more make a U shape, and this is more a W shape. We see this, and usually it will provide a stronger channel when you see this this kind of U shape, but this is a W. It's clear. Also, you need to avoid cup with a sharp V in here. It's a W. It's not a sharp V. But you know, you see, it was pretty deep. Also, ideally, the cup should not be overly deep. It's just what I said. Avoid handles that are overly deep. Also, as handles should form in the top half of the cup and pattern. And here, you know, we're much lower, much lower than the neckline. The neckline of the W is right there, which is probably the half of it, maybe a little less anyway. This W shape is very important for us because if we are testing this W shape right here, this is the neckline point. If we test this and we confirm this neckline as a support, there is a lot of chance that we will test higher. And this is what I'm looking for right now. I want to see a great test. We had this first test here. It was bullish, but we found a top, the roof of the wedge right there. And let's just go on the logarithmic mode. I want to show you because now what I see is a possible bear flag right there. And don't get trapped into this. I mean, be careful. You have a resistance trend line right there. And you also have this resistance trend line right here, which, you know, we are going to hit soon. Okay, just be careful with this. Also, people that are following me know that I like to talk about a trap zone. This trap zone right now, just want to show you again where it is. All right. A trap zone is usually in between the 0.5 and the 0.786 and 0.85 right there, which would be more strongly here. In that zone is a trap zone. And as you know, those can be B waves, perfect spot for B waves. And this bull flag, bear flag right there is, we have to be careful because it's really one bear flag. And we had this breakout from here. This was like an inverse ascending triangle. You can see this right there. And the breakout was there. It's why we have to put our pole here. Let's get out of this log mode for a moment. Okay, and what we do after this, we have to copy and paste the pole and bring that pole to the highest point of the flag. And now it gives us a retest of the MA21. Unbelievable. Right on, guys. If you like this, and if you think, things are, there is different coincidence here, correlation that I like, and for me it's important to show you that. You always have to be smart, and risk management is so important. If you want to make money in this market, and you know what it is, you getting in right now and risking to get wrecked at 199 or even lower than this at 185 that we didn't even pass right now, and we are still making lower high and lower low. What do you want to, what do you want me to say? Right now I cannot be bullish. I mean, the trend is bearish. Just watch the chart, guys. I mean, your comments don't care if you. I receive a lot of comments because I'm bearish and he's spreading some FUDs and he's don't unsubscribe to his channel. But this is the most realistic channel you ever gonna find here. I'm not here to just. I think ELROND is one of the best crypto project with Solana. Those are my two favorite. I really like Cosmos too. Guys, I'm not here to spread FUDs. I'm here, just to try to find out patterns and symmetrical patterns and where are different entries, possible entries for us. Because I'm playing ELROND. I want to hold ELROND for. I'm in ELROND since a while. I own ELROND, and I just want to tell you again that now you have to protect your liquidity. It's not the time to get in ELROND. If you are afraid to miss something, don't be FOMO right now. Don't be FOMO on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bearish. I mean, a whale can come and pump this, but what you gonna make 2, 3, 4% and risking to lose everything and get wrecked very quickly. It's just be smart. Buy when it's bleeding. Buy when the price is going down. It's important. It's risk management, guys. Risk management is the most important things, and it's why I will repeat that. I don't care, you leave me comments. You have the right to be bullish. Write me in the comment why you are bullish. I just want to know why you're bullish right now. Tell me what you think. Maybe there's something that I missed somewhere. It's possible. I'm not, God. I mean, I cannot. I'm a chartist. It's a passion for me. I'm sharing this with you. Everyone has his own right. And anyway, a lot of people, a lot of my members, old and just don't care. They bought eGOLD at $7, $20, 29, 39, and they're holding. They don't care. They will wake up in 10 years and say, "Oh, okay, I made $2 million. That's not bad. I can retire right now." All right, let's go back right here. Watch this this trap zone. This is the Fisher zone. As always, if you're following me, you know what it is. And also, this bear flag is creating this bear flag is having a pole that brings us to a retest of the moving average 21 right here. What a coincidence. I mean, there's no coincidence. This is for me, what I think it will happen. It's my plan. It's my scenario. It's what I think is going to happen. You say MA21 is right here on the weekly, and the Bitcoin is the same. Bitcoin didn't retest is moving average 21 since too long. Since too long, guys. I mean, this is an equilibrium. It's important. Bitcoin needs to retest this moving average right here. When he's going to do it, I don't know. I don't care. But he will do it. And right now, I see lower high and lower low. The trend has changed. Don't tell me the trend has not changed. Look, lower low, lower low, lower low right here. Okay? Now we have this higher high for sure. But here is a new lower high. And now, are we going to make a new higher high? Maybe. I don't care. Bitcoin is very close to arrive in the trap zone. If you want to get wrecked, just get in right now. If you want to take the risk, maybe I'm wrong. And Bitcoin is going to 65K tomorrow. But this is not what I see. I see a very, very big problem for Bitcoin right now is this double top on the monthly chart. The strongest signature that you can get to tell you the trend is over, my friend. The trend is over. Look at here. Let's go. Let's dive in the past. Double top right here. The body is same place, guys. This was the signal. We didn't have this on all this run to 14K. But after this double top right here, this was game over. Look, same here. Last bull market in 2017. What a run. Huge candle, shooting star, double top. It's the end of the bull trend. I don't mean that right now it's the end of the bull trend. To be let's put the RSI just to show you for Bitcoin. Let's go on the weekly. Okay. I'm not saying it's the end of the bull trend, but look at this divergence. Be realistic, guys. This is huge. This was a wave 5. Okay, this is a wave 5 too. Another divergence. 2 wave just closed there. And 2 wave 5 close in a row. And what do you have after a 5th wave? You have the first wave retracement, and those are the most strongest retracement. You can take the risk. You can take it. Doesn't matter if you don't care and you think Bitcoin is going to go to 1 million in 7 years. Do it, guys. It's all about risk management for me. It's all about protecting liquidity, playing the game with your head, evaluating, is it a good time after everything that happened, that Bitcoin did since a while. Look at those huge candles. RSI on the monthly is also reversing. We are much overbought on the monthly chart. We never been so high on the monthly chart. I'm telling you, we need to refresh. Bitcoin need a break. Look at this huge divergence right here. This is huge for me, and doesn't mean if Bitcoin is pumping right now and is going over here and we close. It's possible that you will not close in 9 hours 4 minutes. This close will happen in 9 hours 4 minutes. If it's closing like this, guys, I'm telling you, think what you think. Think what you think. For me, this is the strongest signature you will get, the most bearish signature you will get. I post that on TradingView, and I think we are right here. LPSI 1, and next drop for sure will test the moving average 21. Bitcoin will test this moving average 21. I'm not saying it looks like pretty much the Wyckoff events and phases. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. Everything is perfect right now. I mean, everything is written. I might be wrong. And but right now this is what I see, and this is what I want to share with you. Anyway, let's get back on this pattern. And a lot of people are saying me, no, this is not a rising wedge. Oh, come on. This is not a rising wedge. What? You think this is not a rising wedge? This right there. This right there. Look. This is not a rising wedge. This is a perfect rising wedge. It doesn't mean we're not gonna retest the top of this rising wedge, guys. It's possible we're gonna retest a rising wedge. It's like a falling wedge. A falling wedge is a bullish pattern, but a falling wedge is like this, and sometimes they go all the way down on the bottom. Okay, and you'll see this kind of pattern. Let's take the tool. I'm not sure it's not working, this one. Okay, like this. A falling wedge can do this, and whoops, after the W, test of the neckline right here, and this is most of the time this is what's happening. Okay, this cup and handle here, very difficult to believe me. Usually it will be at least the half. I mean the half of the cup, But now we've been too low. I mean, you see, we've been almost on the bottom of it. If you think that it's a cup and handle, that's you're right. It doesn't mean that you're not right. I mean, for me, I was starting to here. I posted a video because I thought that maybe it was possible, but with this drop, right now, very hard for me. An handle longer than the cup almost. Wow, And this is not a U shape that I like so much. Real U shape. Cup and handle used to do. Let's see, cup and handle. Yeah. Cup and handle is what? This is small. Sorry, but they used to do this kind of shape. It's a U shape. U shape. V shape, no good. Less probable will happen. But you look at this right here, U shape. Anyway, just want to share that with you again. Now, on the logarithmic, for me, always better to, it's always, I like to put my support line and a resistance line on the logarithmic chart. For me, it's stronger, but you can do it without being in a logarithmic mode. But now the logarithmic mode, when I'm coming back with the log mode off, I see that we retest like the floor. We retest the floor and the resistance, and this now it's rejecting. We have like almost 2 rejection now, and it looks pretty much like a bear flag. Okay, if we go on the log again and we want to try to see this pattern, this is a barred head. I don't like those kind of heads. I've been in the market since a couple of years, guys. I've seen this a lot of time, and it doesn't mean that will not play out, but just by looking at the chart, we have this support right there. We have this support right there. Okay, we have this support right there, which is not bad. We have the moving average 21. Which I like on the weekly. I think this will provide very good support. But all depends if we are on the right spot for Bitcoin. The next drop will be crazy, strong, crazy strong, and everyone's gonna be impressed by help this kind of pullback. Just want you to be careful with this. But those are a very, very, very good support. And those will be, I really like this entry on the moving average 21 on the weekly. Also, right here, right now, we just close this here double top again. Double top on the 3-day chart, which is not good. Also, we're still rising on the 2-day right now. This was rejected here. Not so bad. On the 2-day, it's okay. Double top with a spinning top here, which is bearish. We retrace and kind of making a double bottom right here, but double top at the same time. This is for me. This is a real fake out. If it's closing like this, it starts pumping and you think, oh my god, it's going up, it's gonna make a double bottom, and they close on a double top and they eat back all your liquidity. It's how they play. Just be careful. Doesn't mean we're not gonna go there, but let's take a look at the EMA ribbon. EMA. Okay, on the daily, we're having the EMA ribbon as a support right now, which is a dynamic support. Is it gonna stay? Don't know. 4 hours, dynamic support too, and the EMA ribbon is reversing. Is it a fake out? Is it a fake out? Good question. The posture right now is good. What I mean is that by that is that the EMA ribbon is dynamic support for sure on the 4 hours, and the EMA ribbon on the 1-day is support, dynamic support, which used to be a better place to be. But sometimes they make fake out. You see the fake out here. It happens. Ribbon kind of compressed, which I like too. This is in my opinion more bullish, but we're kind of near the trap zone for ELROND 2. Let's take a look at the trap zone again. Yeah, the trap zone is there. It was rejected one time. Doesn't mean doesn't mean it will be rejected the second time, but now we are over the 0.5 and we are entering in a trap zone, and you need to prepare yourself to those resistance right here. This is a resistance that probably a lot of sellers in the situation of Bitcoin right now. But if Bitcoin is pumping and for sure it's gonna, but for me now it looks more like a kind of fake out. But I'm realistic. I mean, DMA ribbon is now support on the 4 hours and on the 1-day, which is more comfortable for me. But many resistance up there. Trap zone is there. I'm not playing this. I'm not this kind of guy. Sorry. You can, but I'm not playing this. Anyway, I think that everyone should be aware of this double top right here of the Bitcoin. 8 hours, 9 hours. Yeah, tonight we'll have an answer. If Bitcoin is going to close over 58 58,728. If he's closing over this, it's probably because we will continue on the upside, because we made a new higher high with this candle, and we didn't make on the monthly a new lower low. It's a higher low, which now everything is possible, but many divergence. We have the pi cycle. The pi cycle, by the way, is the cross of the moving average 300 and 111, and it calls every bear market, and we had that flag already for Bitcoin, which you need to understand that it's an indicator that is in many HFT bots algorithm, and it can influence. Doesn't mean that bots will wait that some wells dump like crazy, and after that they will just flush everything, and it's gonna go fast. But right now, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait in 8 hours, almost 9 hours. What Bitcoin is gonna sign? If he's signing this double top, not a good news for me. All right. Hope you like it. If you can press the like button, smash the thumbs up if you can. I really appreciate, guys, you being here with me. Wish you the best of the best, and let me know what you think in the bottom. Let me feel free to share what's your opinion and how you feel. Are you staking ELROND right now? Are you feeling comfortable with all this? Are you afraid? I know that many people got trapped because they are stacking, and it's 10 days to unfreeze your eGOLD when you stack, and when you find your validators on MAIAR. Anyway, I know it's not it was not so fun, this dump, but this kind of dump that we add for ELROND, we call that a spring, and this was a huge one. This was a huge one. This is a huge signal. You gotta be careful with this. And also, you can just compare this pattern that I draw here on TradingView and figure out, where Bitcoin's might gonna go. Lower low, and we still have this higher high, but lower high right here. And anyway, wish you the best.